Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to compare two amazing espresso machines that will help you make barista quality coffee at home. If you are new to our channel, please like this video, comment below, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos like this. Let's get started. Both machines have high pressure for brewing grade espresso, however. Brand name for product 1 has 20 bars of pressure, while brand name for product 2 has 15 bars of pressure. So if pressure is a major factor for you, then brand name for product 1 is the better option. Both machines have milk frothing systems, but brand name for product 1 has a steam wand which froths milk better for cappuccinos and lattes, while brand name for product 2 comes with a built-in steamer that is easy to use when frothing milk. So it depends on how you prefer to froth milk, manually or with a built-in steamer. Brand name for product 2 offers grind and brew feature that lets you grind coffee beans and brew espresso in the same machine, while brand name for product 1 only lets you brew espresso. So if you prefer grinding your coffee beans fresh before brewing, then brand name for product 2 is a good choice. When it comes to price, brand name for product 1 is priced at $199, while brand name for product 2 is priced at $419. So if budget is a concern, then brand name for product 1 is a better option for you. To sum up, brand name for product 1 is the better choice if you are looking for a high-pressure machine with a steam wand, while brand name for product 2 is the better choice if you prefer grind and brew feature. Ultimately, it comes down to your preference and budget. That's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment below, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. See you soon.